Good day and hello everyone from a very grey and rainy New Zealand. The clouds have moved in, the rain is back after a couple of days of sunshine, warmer temperatures, and overall nicer weather. We are now back to the deep, cold, dark parts of winter. So winter is not just coming, winter is here for New Zealanders. Based on a couple of comments I had to earlier videos, there was an interest to see New Zealand in different weather conditions. So today, here you have it. Happy to present to you New Zealand in the rain. So very grey in grey, no lush green rolling hills, just grey clouds, heavy rain, bumper to bumper traffic, tail lights. Soon the street lamps will come on, even though it is only 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, what has happened since my last video? A lot has happened on a work basis as well as on a social or community involvement basis, but not too much different with the BYD Shark ute. The Shark has been performing perfectly. I can't fault her. Every single day she starts, she drives beautifully, she provides a very quiet, safe environment. Really can't complain. A very, very good experience. Also, I have been blessed, knock on wood, well, not quite wood, but yes, fingers crossed, that nothing bad is going to happen, because I have seen quite a few sharks with panel damage that were involved in different types of accidents, mostly where someone found the rear end of the shark way too attractive and got way too close, resulting in panel bending, scratches, frustrations, lost time. Yeah, nothing nice. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this will not happen to me, and I will be able to use and enjoy this wonderful vehicle without any accident and frustration. And I can just drive and enjoy her the way she was built. So yeah, on the motorway, on ramp now, waiting to get onto the motorway to make my way into the city. And the funny thing is, believe me or not, but the moment it rains, a lot of New Zealanders forget how to drive. They drive perfectly fine when it's dry. There's the odd one who changes lanes without signaling, or who's being silly. But the moment it rains, people forget to turn their headlights on, people forget how to hold lanes, people just change lanes without signaling, and there's plenty of accidents. So people are distracted, and rain seems to wipe their knowledge and memory when it comes to driving. So be aware, if and when you come and visit New Zealand, please, when it rains, pay extra attention to your surroundings and have your eyes on the road and keep checking your mirrors and surroundings. Yeah, interesting. That Nissan Armada definitely wanted to show off its V8 muscles. I could hear its growl a little bit, and even though it was heavy traffic and effectively a traffic jam, it had to get ahead of one car and beat it from the line. Well, you do have that in the rain also. Oh, on the right you see the SsangYong Rhino in grey, license plate MLU664. Prior to the Shark, I did have a SsangYong Rhino. Honestly, a wonderful car. I was very pleased with its performance also. I had the facelift version from 2021. And great car. However, time and opportunity came to let it go, let it find a new owner and move on to the Shark. Now in the Shark, I cannot and do not want to look back, even though I really enjoyed the time I had with the Rhino. Now that I'm saying it, it's actually another interesting little story or observation. I had the SsangYong Rhino before, and then from the Rhino I moved to a Shark. So I stayed within the animal kingdom, however went from a four-legged to a finned animal. So quite interesting. And effectively went from the African savanna to the great wide ocean. And as we have today in the rain, the Shark is in its element. So yeah, just a little interesting little fact and anecdote on the side to share with you. Yeah, what else is happening? Recently, just very random little side note. Recently went to the movies to watch the Formula One. In New Zealand, we have a very small boutique cinema called the Silky Otter. If and when you come to New Zealand and want to watch a movie, I can highly recommend the Silky Otter. Very nice big leather seats with a footrest that you can bring up, and you even have table service if you want to. So you can order some food that then gets brought to you throughout the movie. And it's quite nice and enjoyable, and the movie itself, Formula One, was a good movie, I have to say. Okay, let's get onto the fast lane, even though the fast lane is not the fastest today. But yep, as you could see, the Shark's picking up nicely. There we go. There was one signaling, wanted to change lanes, not realizing that the CLA 45 in front of us was too close, but then realized it last minute and still early enough. On the right hand side, you may have noticed, is a construction site with a banner of Simplicity Living. Simplicity is actually a default KiwiSaver provider that also does some construction project, and it's one of their investment strands. So instead of investing overseas and in other areas, they decided to invest in real estate also. So yeah, and that shall be it. I think I've now shown you enough of New Zealand traffic, of traffic jam, of different cars, taillights, and the rainy weather that we're experiencing at the moment. And all that I should do now is to thank you all for tuning in. Thank you for commuting with me. Let me know if there's any feedback, questions, comments. Always enjoy reading those. And otherwise, I wish you a fantastic end of the working week, an even better and relaxing weekend ahead. And until we speak again, keep well. Bye-bye.